Welcome to my channel. Mutton Shanwari Karahi. Let's make delicious restaurant-style mutton Shanwari Karahi. First we take a mutton, add in pan. Add oil and little bit fry. Now add water and cover it well until the meat is rotten. Now, we open the cover. Add tomatoes. Peel off the tomato and mix it well. Added chopped green chili, ginger and garlic paste. Mixed well. Add salt, turmeric and red chili powder. Now add black pepper. Cooked well. Add homemade spice. Garnish with green coriander. Long, thinly sliced ginger added. Ready for eat. Delicious and tasty mutton Shanwari Karahi make at home, perfect restaurant style. Alhamdulillah. Enjoy tasty food. Thanks for watching.